the new ball, a little bit of swing, but it is offered up. A little bit of a half volley. Oh, bold. He played all around a straight, quick delivery from Sajid Ali. Full again. A quick single. That's something they're going to have to do, overthrows. It was a wild throw and the keeper couldn't take it. Slip tried to back it up. Or this could be another chance. This should be taken. Is taken. Different start to his over this time. Look how tall he is. They can't even reach his hands. Oh, nicked. What a catch. I think this is the catch of the tournament so far.
Oh, that's got to be out. That has got to be out. This is problem. Gujranwala Giants have no idea what's happening with them.
That's beautiful. That's a gorgeous looking extra cover drive. Brings 4.
Just past that first slip.
And that's good thinking because he got the gap.
Over, well and truly over. Be one bounce 4.
Oh, the captain won't be happy with that.
Picked up a good looking shot. This is a little bit fuller, a little bit quicker, and this will fly all the way for a maximum. Going again, back-to-back 6s. Bowling into his arc now. Is this enough? Is enough. So this one again just lobbed up to Majid, and it is the third 6 of the over. Well, I was just about to say he hasn't bowled any wides today. 5 in that first over in the first game, not a good start.
He seems to struggle to the left-hander.
Does he get enough of it? He does. What a way to go to it. A half century. His first in the tournament, and he's brought it up in 33 deliveries, 4 4s and 3 6s. Goes all the way, and what a way to bring up the 100 partnership between these two. First 100 partnership of the Pakistan Junior League, and it's been brought up in just 59 deliveries.
Plays it straight. And that's the 50 for Hasnain Majid. What a knock that is. He can raise his bat. He deserves to. That's a knock that he'll remember for a long time. That's high in the air. He'll take some catching. 2 fielders are coming under it. And the third one takes it from the deep. Finally, a moment of celebration for the Bahawalpur Royals. Yeah, he's got pace, and that can be put away as well. Quicker they come and faster they go.
Tom Aspinwall joins the party.
Catch it is the call. Long on getting under it. Arham and out. So the bowler who's been waiting for the longest time comes in and tells you how to get rid of. Call is for 2. It's the last ball. Keep pushing it, and they will come back easily. What an innings this has been from Gujranwala Giants. Once again, from 24 for 4 in the power play, they've managed to end up with 179 for 6 in the 20 overs at 8.9 runs.
Clipped away, timed properly enough to get 4. Through the field in that cover region, was struck firmly. And again, that's a gorgeous looking extra cover drive, consecutive boundaries. Got stumped. Stumped beautiful, way back past the bowler. 4 more. That was short with pace on. And no protection in that deep fine leg position because the man is inside the 30-yard circle.
Runs are coming in. They're keeping up with that run rate. Not a very good effort down there in the deep. Should have bent and cut that off.
And what Basit Ali has to think here, hang on, I can't hit my way to 170 here. They've found themselves so far ahead. That is the fastest 50, so his 50 comes up.
Non-striker direct, yes, gone. It's got to be out. Johan is unhappy with Basit.
And he's playing with a bit of aggression, but this one miscued. That's a beauty, a real beauty out of nowhere. Shan produces a gem of a delivery. Gone for the big shot and gets hold of it. Flies all the way for 6. Powered and goes all the way for 6. My goodness, that's an impressive stroke. Only the 3rd delivery face. Slapped wide of long on and goes all the way for half a dozen.
There it is. They needed a wicket, a good piece of keeping again. Oh, does he get enough of this? I think he does. He times it beautifully and he'll fly it all the way. They needed an early boundary and they've got an early boundary and it's a maximum. I'm not sure he gets enough of this one. Maybe does, yeah, he does. Back-to-back 6s. So release of pressure. He's gone short. In the air, should be out, is out. Another great catch. In the air. Pressure, what pressure? Hit it out the park. Get yourself a boundary away from 100, the first 100 as well. Gets it through. 100. What a performance from Basit Ali. 50 in the first game, 100 in the second game. He's 100 off 56 deliveries, 12 fours and 4 sixes. Take a bow, young man. Oh, will be a victory given a no ball, but what a way to win. Look at the team coming in. They know what a performance this has been. Basit Ali, take a bow. 100 in your second game. And back-to-back wins for the Royals.